Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the blower housing on this Briggs Stratton engine, you will need a 5/16" nut driver, a 10mm socket, and potentially a 7mm socket. Before you begin this procedure, make sure the engine has cooled. Use the 5/16" nut driver to unthread the two mounting screws, securing the air filter cover. Remove the cover and the air filter, then unthread the screws securing the filter base. Pull the choke lever off so you can move the base out of the way. Using the 5/16" nut driver, unthread the two screws securing the throttle cover plate. Shift the throttle lever to the right so you can detach the plate. You can now unthread the three screws securing the blower housing using the 10mm socket. Remove the blower housing. Note the orientation of the recoil starter, then use the 5/16" nut driver to unthread the four screws, securing the starter to the housing. With the screws unthreaded, set the starter aside. For future reference, we recommend notating the engine model number and serial number as shown on the old housing before discarding. You're now ready to prepare the new blower housing for installation. For non-electric start models, you will need to position the provided cover plate and secure it with the screw using a 7mm socket. Properly align the recoil starter on the housing, then thread the four mounting screws to secure. Now position the new blower housing over the starter cup and fan. And thread the three mounting screws. Reposition the throttle cover plate and rethread the screws. Insert the two mounting screws through the air filter base, then align the base and thread the screws into the carburetor. Replace the choke lever. With the pre-cleaner positioned in the cover, followed by the air filter with its rubber gasket facing outward, align the cover on the base and secure it with the screws. The engine should now be ready for use.